For this series I will look at the rights of the non-Muslims within a legitimate Islamic state. After Daesh committed numerous atrocities against non-Muslims, many questions arose pertaining to concepts within Islam. After these crimes and atrocities were committed by those who claimed to be Muslims, many questions started to come up about particular Islamic concepts. So inshallah ta'ala, within this series we aim to discuss what Islam says about the rights of non-Muslims within a legitimate Islamic state. We want to discuss the concept of jizya, because many say that jizya is an oppressive type of tax that is aimed towards non-Muslims. They say that this is a type of discrimination, this tax. So inshallah ta'ala, we want to discuss this concept and look into the life of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Ahlul-Bayt alayhim as-salam, and how they dealt with non-Muslims. So inshallah ta'ala, please join us for this series.
بالحسن بالحسين بالأئمة الأطهار